Hey guys, the Cookie Crusader, and today we're back for another Roblox scripting tutorial. I said that way too enthusiastically, but still. I have released the game to the public now so people can do tests. I called it test. It's on my profile, Eric Almighty. I hate that name, but still, it's just something I came up a long time ago and stuck with it, just like my channel name. Still, if we hit play, I'm going to pause the video right now. We're going to be doing something like a bug fixing thing. Now, a lot of people would be like, oh yeah, the stuff that I've made so far worked for them. But I'll explain this in a second. It's a problem with Roblox itself. It's nothing with my programming, but I'll show you now. So here we are in the game, and you'll notice one thing. It's supposed to, as far as I know, remove the character, maybe, I don't know, and also just, like have our camera like right there or something pointing at us. Obviously, that's not what's happening here. And if we look, we have an error. If you press F9, well, you guys can't see it, but there's an error. Now I'm gonna have to stretch this out a little bit for us to see it. All right. We see players that Eric on my that's player GUI start lock. So that's the script that we made. Attempt to index field character. So in line 2, it couldn't get the character. Now I'll explain why this happens. If we go and press start, we'll see that it more or less works. We'll go into fire and walk around. Nothing's wrong with that. Hold shift to run. Press F. Shoots a fireball. I like how that works. Oh yeah, I forgot we have a zombie over here. Press F. Hits it, it damages it. Nothing's wrong here. That's because I'll explain this now. So let me go back into studio. Alright, let that load in now. So first, if we want to fix a bug, we have to understand why it's happening. Now, the reason why that bug itself is happening, the only reason is latency. That's how it works. Like, if we press play now, everything will work. I'm not going to do it for the video's sake because it's going to get really laggy. But it will work without a problem. Everything will work perfectly. The problem is, well, the reason it works in game is because we're not using a server. We are hosting that game, the one that we're playing right now, from our machine. So there's no latency problems. It's instant, everything that happens. So the player loads in, instantly everything loads in, and it's all set and ready to go. But with a server, if you're playing with other people or just clicking play on Roblox, you are from your machine sending signals to a server, and then the server sends its stuff to you, and that's how you play the game. Now, the thing is, obviously sending stuff to the server will be slower than just playing it yourself in your own made world. That's what's happening. So it couldn't get the character for the pure reason my computer machine's a little bit slow, or any machine actually wouldn't work now, because when you go on, the player loads in, but the character doesn't as fast as the script needs it to. If we look at it, I'm pretty sure it was called start. I am being called. Hold on. I am so sorry about that, but still, if we go into started GUI, we'll see start lock. Yeah. Now let's look at the script. Straight away, that's the thing. See, look, it said line 2, that's the problem. Now, if we look, local player equals game.players.local player. Perfect. There's nothing wrong with that. It will instantly get the player. But now we'll do local target equals player.character.torso. This is happening about, let's say, a few milliseconds. As soon as the player joins in, this is going to run. And let's say the character isn't loaded in. The player has, in players, we'll see Eric Almighty. That's loaded in already. And then we look in, and character isn't there. The character isn't there. And then it breaks and glitches because the stuff that they're looking for, we're telling it, oh look, player.character, it's right there, you should find it. But it's not there yet because it hasn't loaded in. There's many ways. Now, this is one of the most common problems with Roblox. I've had to deal with it for a lot of the games I've worked on in the past. It's the fix is kind of simple. It's different for each and every one. But let's just look at it now. So if we want to fix it, we want to try and make it that if the character isn't there, wait until the character is there. Or we're just gonna... Yeah, let's do that for now. I want to see if it works. So I'm just gonna do local character equals player wait. Oh, sorry. Wait for a child. Open bracket, close bracket. And then we're just going to go character. Now, this you can imagine what happens. Child is, you know, in script.parent is anywhere here. And no, but like, if you're following the series script.parent, like if this is Eric Almighty, the parent of that would be players. But players, the child of that would be Eric Almighty, or its children would be everything inside it. So wait for a child is waiting for a certain child, and then whatever the name of it is, which is character. So we're just telling character equals player, wait for something to appear, character, and that's pretty much it. Or actually, that's one way you could do it. Now that might not work. This is something that we could do. So local player equals that, and then we do repeat. This is a type of loop. Repeat, wait, and then just open back, close back. We don't have to put anything into it until. These are all things inside. Oh, I'm spelling plural. Player dot character is not equal to nil. What that does is that it repeats a wait, so like it pretty much does nothing for a while until the character is there, is not equal to. It's shift hashtag equals to, and then nil nil, which means nothing. So if it's not equal to false, then it's true. So if player.character is there, then it will play. This is one of the ways of fixing it, and that should be that glitch fixed. And I think that might be the one glitch that we've had. Let's just go ahead and check. Oh, if we actually go into test, this is what Roblox gave us, because they know about this problem and they just don't fix it. They just give us our own ways to fix it, so we can start a local server, which in fairness could work, but I'm just gonna press play for now. So let's just go press play. Ugh. And this is how you fix that problem. It's one of the most common problems in Roblox. Like if you go on the scripting forums, which I recommend if you're getting into more game stuff past this series, I will be doing scripting tutorials aside from this later on in a month or so, I hope for. Alright, it didn't work. Now let's go into F9 and see what happened. Nothing happened. Infinite yield possible on player. Hold on, look. I got rid of that line right there, and it hasn't saved yet. That's what that glitch was. Let me check again. So if we just go file and then publish to Roblox, let it save, and now maybe it should work. Is it done? Yeah, it's done. So now we can press play. What happened there is that I joined the game too early for the autosave to come in. So by the time I made that one line change, it didn't update in the Roblox server yet, so I went on to an older version of the game, if you know what I mean, by only like a few seconds. There you go. So that's the camera glitch. Now, didn't I do a thing where you remove the character, like the character appearance? I don't know if I did, but this video's been filled with interruptions. Alright, well that works now. The camera's fixed. Going to start, we'll go into water. I forget what. Glitch. Perfect. Alright, if we look into it, nothing. Server log. Don't mind that, that's nothing. Why isn't that working? Let's go and check that actually. Alright, if we go in and actually just press play normally in the non-server thing, I want to see what happens. So this episode is going to be entirely on fixing this glitch, the bug. It will work if we play it now. Everything should work perfectly. Start order. There you go. Everything worked perfectly. It's loading in the map a little bit weird, but that's okay. And now we press F, isn't it? F. There you go. Yeah, works perfectly. And does this affect that thing in any way other than damage? Hold on. Sorry, it's my computer's lagging. This is why it's so weird. Sorry. Let's F that. No, I'm not. Let's just. No, I'm not even gonna try. This is programming, not still. That worked perfectly. But I'm gonna go into test. Start a local server. I want to see if that works. Now this is gonna take a while, so I'm just gonna pause the recording. Alright, here we go. So when we do this, it doesn't seem to actually load our character anyways, but let's just go start at water, and the camera just stays there. It's not telling me why, which is the most annoying part. I was just looking at the output here to see if it works, so it doesn't. So if you click clean up, just delete, stop the server. See what that does? Oh, damn it. Uh-oh. Oh, okay, that was just an, alright, it's fixed. That scared me for a second. Alright, so let's actually look at this. That's normal, that just sets the camera thing. But if we go into start screen, that seems to be where the glitch is. Scripts. Mouse enter, that's normal, but it's one mouse button, one down when we click it. Script apparent invisible equals false. Okay, so perfect. It sets the GUIs all off, but it doesn't teleport our camera. Why does it do that? Wait, am I doing something wrong here? I'm just gonna do yeah, scripts.parent. Sorry, I'm not commentating there. I was trying to realize how it worked in the first place. But scripts.parent.parent.parent. One, two. Script.parent, parent. Okay, yeah, we're in the right place. Dot start. Lock. I spelled parent wrong, didn't I? Yeah. Script.parent start lock dot disabled equals false. True, it should disable itself. And then it's a normal script, so that won't work. Oh shoot. Okay. Wait, hold on. Am I missing something? This does not make any sense. No sense whatsoever. Okay. If I feel like I'm missing something because look, mouse enter, that just does an animation. Now if we click it, it sets the script the visibility of the GUIs to false. It turns on the element GUI. Okay. So it's the element GUI is where it is. So let's go into that. I was just wondering because doesn't that teleport us? But no, it's in the element GUI. Okay. Now, what's viz? Oh, okay. Earth. So if I click it, game. Alright, I have the glitch fixed. Alright, I know what we're doing, sorry. Look, let me explain this. Game.workspace, the current camera. Now, this is a very rookie mistake that I used to always make until last week. Current camera can only ever be used in local scripts, not normal scripts. Local scripts only. That's the reason it works in for this. Local scripts and normal scripts more or less work the same when we're just playing on our own little the world created if we just play right now. But on servers, it's much different. That's why we have local scripts. Local scripts ties in with the character very well. Normal scripts just do everything else well. So local scripts current camera only, if we're doing servers, only can be used in local scripts. That's all. So it's kind of easy to fix this. We insert a local script. Oh Jesus. Insert a local script. Get the script, Control A, Control C, double click, drag it in, paste it, delete the original script. There you go. That's all that is. And is this the same scripts for everything? Sorry, no, it's not. I'm not going to go through those changes. So now let's copy, paste, and sorry, just drag it into Fire there. Get the script from Fire, Control A, Control C, go into that. Oh no, local scripts, that's Control A, Control V, and I think that's that done. Yep, alright. Now we exit out of both of them, Control C, go into water, paste it. What? Oh, sorry, I should delete the one from Fire as well. All we're doing here is making the script that we made a local script. So we just copy all the lines of code that we did before. If you don't have this line of code, I recommend you go back in the series and find where we writ, like where I showed you what it does and stuff. So I'm not going to go through it all now. This is literally game. Let me explain this. I do this like this game creation series is a game creation. I expect people to know a very small amount of programming. I expect them to go on with the series, if you know what I mean. Like start from episode 1 and move up, because that's what we're doing here. And and I'm gonna be teaching the scripting stuff. I'm teaching how to do stuff. But I'm gonna have a separate programming scripting thing for that. So I think I just fixed the glitch. Let's go over and test. So literally we're just gonna check, because all I did there was take the script that we made before. That would have been in one of the more recent ones. Definitely it's in the episode 6 or 7 that we made that. I just took the lines of code and put them in a local script in the same place, and then deleted the original script. And now because if you don't know why I did it, current camera can only be used in local scripts. The stuff that we do to change the camera position, that can only be done in local scripts. So if we press start now, and then we click water. Oh, guess what I just forgot to do? Same rookie mistake as before. File, publish to Roblox. Now we play. All right, let's test this now. Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. That's what I'm doing with the series. We're gonna make a game start to finish. Gonna add stuff in. I've been looking in the comments. Thank you so much, guys, for leaving the likes, adding the support in the comments and stuff. If we're going to start now, water fixed. There you go. The game should be fully functional now. I actually don't know if that's true yet. I just fell into water, didn't I? Yep. All right. Yet again, it's taking a while for the map to load in. That's just my computer. If you want to come over, play this game, follow along with the series. At the end, if I have enough people, because I seem to have a lot of people actually supporting this series and liking my videos, commenting down, thanks for the help and stuff. At the end of this series, I might do like not a live stream, just to play with some of you guys if you want to, once this game is finished. So if you press F, that worked perfectly. Nothing wrong with that there. Now if we go into the other one, what's the most recent one we made? The wind one. Yeah, that's the most recent thing. Let's go and test that. Yeah, that's an acceptable glitch there. Wind. Where's the zombie? I want to test that out, because remember we insert body velocity into the torso to make it seem like the wind is pushing you back and stuff like that, having that effect. And really nice effect to have on wind moves. So if we just don't miss. I missed. All right. This little thing with the hats, that should clear away in a second. Oh wait, is that something to do with I think we have something to do with a GUI here. All right. Yeah. I'll fix that in a second. Look, when you zoom in, you're not able to move around with your camera. I will fix that. Let me just run away, turn back, F. Hey, it pushes them back. There you go. That's all I wanted to do. Now, the thing where the GUIs are keeping like that, where you're not able to move around in first person, or you're seeing your hats, that's something to do with these GUIs. There should be something called modal. There you go. Is modal on in any of these? Nope. And it's only for them. Maybe this one? Modal's off. Alright. Actually, let me search something. No, wait. Hold on. I'm looking for why that's happening. If we turn modal on, what happens? Can I search what modal does? Hold on. You see, I know what modal is in general. I don't know what it is, but I know effects. So let me search Roblox script. Oh Jesus, Roblox scripting GUI. What does modal mean? If I get something, this would be amazing. Alright, I'm on the Roblox wiki on the API classes. This is really good. You're able to see what everything about the properties do. So if we go like properties, we have all these things which is cool. This is all on GUIs, yeah. So if we go in function, we'll see add selection parent, no, no events, menu. Nope, this is not what I want. The GUI service, that's not what I want. Alright, yeah, I'm not finding what modal does anywhere, so I was just on the Roblox wiki again. I couldn't find it, but I wish you could just tell me. Anyways, I'm not even going to get into that. That was us fixing the bugs of a game. Now, this isn't just for this game creation. As you see, it can be done for everything. Like when you're scripting later on, now you'll know that not to use current camera in normal scripts, you have to do it in local scripts. And if you're having problems loading the character, all you have to do is go into where the script is and just do, before it says the character thing, just do repeat wait until player.character is not equal to nil. That'll just literally just make sure that by the time the script starts running, the character's there. So, yeah, I think that's everything that we need to go over in this episode. I will start answering the comments and doing videos based on the comments soon. And, I think that's it because, I'm actually getting annoyed with the map. It loads in, I don't, like, the terrain's okay, I guess it would be kind of fun. Yeah, I was just thinking, will we build our own map, because that could help with game creation in Roblox, because people don't really know, but building, I'm not good at it. I know how